Hey everyone, welcome back to Spiral. If you are tired of worrying about yours or your loved one's privacy online, today we have got something that's going to put your mind at ease. We are diving into some of the safest and most secure social media apps out there. Apps that actually protect your personal information, not just use it for profit. In today's world, it's essential to stay connected, but it's just as important to protect your data. So stick with us as we explore which platforms are worth your time if you want to keep your privacy intact while staying social. First up is Mastodon, a centralized social media platform that's becoming increasingly popular as a Twitter alternative. Unlike Twitter, Mastodon isn't controlled by one central company. It's made up of many independent communities called instances, each with its own rules and moderation policies. This means you can choose a community that aligns with your interests and privacy values. The decentralization of Mastodon is a big plus for privacy. No single government or company can monitor or control all the data on the platform, as each instance operates independently. Your personal data stays within the instance, and since there's no central authority, it's much harder for any single entity to track your activities or gather your data. On Mastodon, you won't find targeted ads, and your personal information isn't being sold. You get more control over your online experience and, most importantly, your privacy. Next up is Diaspora, another open source decentralized social network that's built with privacy in mind. Diaspora works similarly to Mastodon in that it's a collection of smaller networks called pods, each independently run by different people or organizations. You can join or create a pod that fits your values and interests. One of Diaspora's biggest strengths is that it's open source, so anyone can review the code for security and privacy. Your data is stored on the pod you join, not on any central server, and no single company or government can access it. This decentralized structure also makes it harder for any organization to surveil or control your activity across the platform. With Diaspora, you are in control of your data. There are no centralized ads, no tracking, and no selling of your information. It's privacy first, and it gives you full control over your experience. Moving on to Signal, one of the most secure messaging apps around. It's like WhatsApp but more secure. Signal is well known for its end-to-end encryption, which ensures that only you and the person you are messaging can read the content of your conversations. Not even Signal can access your messages, which is a huge bonus for anyone concerned about privacy. Signal doesn't store your messages or any metadata, so your conversations are private from start to finish. Unlike other apps, Signal doesn't require you to input personal information like your phone number or email to use it. You can even use it anonymously if you choose. Because Signal is a non-profit app, it doesn't track your activity or sell your data. It's one of the best options for privacy-conscious users. Additionally, Signal's decentralized nature and encrypted messaging make it nearly impossible for governments or other authorities to monitor or intercept your communications. Let's talk about Bluesky, a newer platform created by the same team that originally built Twitter. Like Mastodon, Bluesky is decentralized, which means it's not controlled by a single company. The platform gives users more control over their content and privacy, allowing you to share and engage on your terms. Bluesky is built on a transparent system, so you can see how your data is being used. Since it's decentralized, there's no one organization collecting all your data or tracking you for profit. Plus, Bluesky doesn't rely on algorithms to decide what you see. It's up to you. You won't be bombarded with targeted ads or content based on tracking your behavior. The best part? Bluesky's decentralized model makes it harder for governments or any central authority to monitor or control your activities. You have more freedom to interact without the worry of surveillance. Finally, we have SimpleX, a privacy-focused messaging app that takes user anonymity and security seriously. SimpleX doesn't require you to provide any personal information to use it. There's no need for a phone number or email to get started, which is perfect for those who want to keep their identity anonymous. Like Signal, SimpleX uses end-to-end encryption, ensuring that only you and the person you are chatting with can see your messages. SimpleX also doesn't store your data, which means there's no trace of your conversation stored anywhere that could be hacked or leaked. It's a great option for anyone who values privacy and wants to keep their communication secure. Because SimpleX doesn't collect personal details, it's much harder for any government or organization to trace or monitor your activity. The app's decentralized architecture ensures that your messages remain private and secure from any external threats. And there you have it, 5 incredible social media and messaging apps that prioritize your privacy. You will find the link to all these apps in the description. So, whether you are looking for a decentralized social network like Mastodon or Diaspora, a super secure messaging app like Signal or SimpleX, or even a fresh alternative like Bluesky, these platforms are all dedicated to keeping your data safe. Decentralized platforms like these are a game changer for privacy, as they make it much harder for any government, company, or organization to surveil or control your data. You get to decide what you share, who you connect with, and how your information is used. It's time to take control of your digital life and keep your data safe from prying eyes. Thanks for hanging out with us today on Spiral. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more privacy tips, and share this with anyone who could use some peace of mind about their online safety. Stay safe, stay secure, and we'll see you in the next one.